This is a quick video on how to set up the TMaxx t-maxx with lithium batteries so that you don't have to continue to replace the AA's. I'm gonna get straight to it. We're gonna take that off and pull the battery box off here. So I've already set up the lithium on this car, and this is what it looks like. So we got power coming in on the original lead, going into the battery eliminator circuit. I'll post a link for that. And then the way that it's wired up is power comes in to the original TMaxx switch, so that any power that gets to the truck must go through the switch so you can turn it off. So power, the XT30 goes into the switch, out of the switch into the battery eliminator circuit. The battery eliminator circuit is double side taped to the side, and then the battery just slides down in there, and I'll show you this. Here are two batteries that I use in the TMaxx. I use those to fly one of my foam airplanes. Let's just get a size on that. So we'll say about 30 millimeters wide. Let's see. And as far as length, 60 millimeters, 58.5, 60. And then let's see. Thickness, I'll say that's about 20 millimeters. The original had the 4 AA battery pack going into the switch, and then that switch goes over to the receiver. On the 2S lithium pack setup, you get a 2S Lipo, and I used the XT30 connector because that's just what I had. You can pretty much use anything because it's relatively low current. And then coming out of the XT30, it goes to the switch. And then out of the switch to the 6 volt, it's actually selectable. 5 volts, 6 volts, and 7.4 volts. 8 amps with a 12 amp max is the one that I have attached to this video. And then out of the BEC, you go into the TMaxx receiver, the original location. There it is, plugged into the XT30 connector. And I'm gonna stuff it all in there. And there it is, stuffed down in there. Sits nice and flush against the chassis like the original battery pack. And I added this little jumper so that I could remove the box if I needed to. We'll get it all buttoned up. There she is. That one's good. And there we go. Make sure none of the wires are pinching. Yeah. Okay. Okay. The wire, let's say it comes out of the original hole. And let's see. Let's turn it on. And it is running.